As you can see right here, guys, they are making up to $10,000 per month online with this method. That is absolutely insane. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using a very simple method that a lot of people are making money with right now. And we're going to go ahead and use AI technology to speed up this process and essentially turn it into a copy and paste method. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. We are not going to miss any step in this video, and I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know so you don't miss out on any information. And the best part about this method is you don't need your own website, so you don't need to go and create a complicated website. You don't need to code anything. You literally need to just use very simple AI tools to copy and paste this specific method. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works, how to get started, and I'm going to show you all of the tools that you need so you don't actually have to go and look for all of the tools yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this in the next 15 minutes. This is a very short 15-minute tutorial, but before we jump into how to actually make money online with this method, I am still giving away access to my course. What you need to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, comment below what the emoji is, and I'll pick a winner in the next video. Let's get started, and I'll show you how to make money online by copy and pasting with this method. Right, guys, so the first step to this method, we need to do a little bit of research. Now, the research process is extremely easy, and it's actually very quick because now we have AI technologies that we can use to help with the research process. In fact, we can actually use this for most of this method, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So what you want to do is go to openai.com and click on ChatGPT, and I went ahead and I've done the research for us. So what I did is I told ChatGPT to give me 10 YouTube ideas for AI generated content to make money. So I went to ChatGPT and I've got ChatGPT to do the work for us. It's very simple to do. I told ChatGPT to give me 10 YouTube video ideas without showing my face because I don't want to show my face. And what it's done is it's giving us 10 ideas that we could potentially use for this method. Now, this method is blowing up right now. People are making a lot of money, and I'm now going to show you exactly what that is. Now, I haven't chosen a specific topic from this because I already actually have one where I know that's working very well. So what I've done is I've gone to this channel right here called Above Inspiration. Now, you can use ChatGPT to go and find specific channels, right? So I could go and put in documentary style videos into YouTube, and I could find types of channels in that niche. So I found a video in the motivation niche, or sorry, a channel. And if you go down here, you can see that these are motivational videos, and they're around about 8 minutes long, most of them. If we click on them, what they do is they're giving us motivation by using images, text, and voiceovers, and we can create all of this with AI technologies. And then you can go down here and you can kind of see what they're doing here. This is how they are making money by links down here and advertising as well. And we're going to jump into all of that in this video. But more importantly, if we actually go to socialblade.com, we can see that this channel is making around about $600 to $10,000 per month in advertising revenue alone. So that's not including anything else. That's just advertising revenue. So it's absolutely insane. You can see how many views they're getting per day. So now we have to jump into the next step. How do we go ahead and start making money with all of this stuff? We're going to use this channel as an example. So the next step we need to do is we need to go ahead and we need to do content creation. Now, the content creation process in this method is extremely easy now. We can do this very quickly with AI software. So what you want to do is you want to go to a website called Invideo.io, and I will leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I would get a commission, but you could use this program to potentially go and create the content that you need. And I'll show you exactly how easy it is right now. Now, this is Invideo here. You can go ahead and check it out. They have lots of features, but a new feature they have is Try Invideo AI, the co-pilot for video creation. So you can go there and click on that. And I've actually created an account that we can use for this tutorial. Now I'm going to go back and get my prompt, and I'm going to put this in here. and it says create a 5-minute motivational video about not giving up for YouTube. And I'm going to go ahead and click generate video. And this is going to go ahead and use this AI technology to create us a video. It usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes, but this is just showing you how insanely quick it is right now to start a business online because of AI. 10 years ago, when I was doing this stuff online, it took 10 times as long to do because we didn't have AI technology. We are in a period where you should be taking advantage of this stuff to make money online. All right, so it's created our video, and we can either go motivational seekers or life learners or self-improvement enthusiasts. I'm going to go self-improvement enthusiasts because this actually lines up with something that we need to look at later on. We can do inspirational, professional, clean. We're going to just leave it on inspiring and go continue. And it's going to go ahead and create that video based on those 3 things we just told it to do. All right, guys, the video took a little bit longer than I thought, but it is now done. And you can see really how good this is.
Despite facing immense challenges, the inventor of the light bulb failed a staggering 1,000 times before he finally succeeded.
This is a very good video. It's exactly like the motivational videos from that YouTube channel. And I just created this within 5 minutes using AI software. Now, this obviously is a paid version. If you want to get rid of the watermarks, you would have to pay a subscription for this, which you can do. But it's just insane how easy it is to create these artificial intelligent videos now to go ahead and make money online. So now what we need to do is we need to go to the next process, and that process is traffic. How do we go ahead and use these videos to get traffic to make money online? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to upload them to YouTube, and we are going to optimize the videos by using specific keywords and tags, and that's how you go ahead and get the traffic. But we need to do one thing first, and that is create a thumbnail, and then I'm going to show you how to actually go ahead and make money with this. Now, I will talk about one way to make money, and that is via advertising, and I'll talk about another way in a second. And a lot of people think you can't monetize these types of videos. You actually can. This person here, the answer is yes. Essentially, you can go ahead and read through this article. This person actually creates AI content YouTube channels all the time, and they do get approved for monetization with YouTube. So you can get approved for monetization for these types of videos. It's very important to understand that because there's a lot of misinformation out there. If someone gets disapproved, they think that everybody does. So there's no rule saying you can't monetize these types of videos. Now, the next thing what we want to do is we want to go to canva.com, and we're going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just going to click on one of these random thumbnails here. I'm going to actually choose a very basic one because I want to do a basic thumbnail. I will go ahead and choose this one right here and go customize this template. And what we need to do is go to pixels.com, and we need to find a photo that we could use that is motivational, because this is a motivational video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one of this guy running. Okay, you would obviously go ahead and find another one or whatever fits your specific video, but I'm just going to download this one real quick. And then what I can do is I can go and customize this template right here, which oh yeah, we've already done that. And I can go ahead and I can drag this onto here. Now you might be thinking what type of information you put on the thumbnail. If you remember, if we go back here, I said create a motivational video about not giving up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do something simple like these guys. So you see that these guys have stuff like dreams without limits, no excuses, attitude is everything. I'm going to just say something very simple like I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to say don't give up. And I'm going to make that bold because it would look much better. And I'm going to increase this here. Okay, I have a very simple thumbnail. You might want to change the text because we might change it to black, the color, sorry, just because it's for it to stand out a little bit more. No, because it blends in with the other one. We'll go back to white. Okay, I'm going to now, and then all I need to do is go share and download this image. Now, before we move on to actually uploading this to YouTube, we need to do one thing. We need to actually figure out how do we make money from this. So there's 2 ways that we can make money. We can make it from advertising, or we can make it from other products. But first of all, I just want to do a bit of a disclaimer that what you make is going to depend on you. You might not make any money, and this might not work for you, but it all depends on how much work you put in. You're not going to make hundreds of dollars a day straight away. It can take time, and you might never make money. So just keep that in mind. I base the earnings off what I see other channels making. So just keep that in mind when trying to make money online. It depends on how much work you put in. Because a lot of people, they'll just do one video and stop. Well, you're not going to make money if you do that. You definitely will not make money if you do that. So there's 2 ways to make money. Here is the second way. We can go to clickbank.com and we can click on self-help, because this is a self-help motivational video. And what we can do is we can go down to here and we can go and click on, for example, this product. I don't know what this product is, but I can click promote and I can go and get an affiliate link that I can put in the video descriptions. So let's now go and upload this video, and I will just show you how easy it is to now upload videos to YouTube, and we can actually use AI as well to optimize the videos. Right, I apologize guys, my camera went flat. What we need to do is we're going to use this AI technology. You can use something called, let me just get rid of a few things here. You can use something called vidiq.com. I'll leave a link below. And what we can do is we can actually use this to generate what we call a title, obviously for the video. So but you got to tell it what you want first. So motivational video about not giving up. So I've put a motivational video about not giving up, and I'm going to click refresh. And this is going to give us some titles, and we can actually do the same down here for the description. So get AI description. And what you want to do is you want to add some keywords. So motivation, don't give up, fitness. I'm going to go generate. All right, guys. So what I've done to just speed up the video is I've actually done a title here. Unleash your potential. I will not quit and never give up. And then I put in the inspirational and motivational video. That is the keywords that we are trying to target here. And we have a description now, which we can insert. And we have 3 options that we could potentially use. And then if we go down here, we also have keywords. Now you would have to upgrade to do this. So I'm just going to put in the first 3. But it gives us keywords as well that we can use. It gives us everything that we need to use vidIQ. And we actually messed up the text here, but that's okay. But as you can see, we now have this up here, and we have our thumbnail, and we're all ready to go. And you can potentially go and upload this video and make money online. However, what you can do is you can get this link here, and I would recommend shortening the link and go and post the link into YouTube here. And you would shorten the link, but when people click on this link, they would go to that product, and they would get you would get a commission of around about $63 if someone purchased that product. Now you'll notice here that there is copyright protected content found. This is because we are using the free version to create that video. That is why. So I do know that, and I'm not going to be using this specific video. But that, guys, is how you can go ahead and make money online by using AI generated content, and it's very easy to create this content now to go ahead and make money online, and use this here to optimize your YouTube videos. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.